help get my pillow for my lumbar support. So I did a video where I showed I was barbecuing, and I had some nice looking stuff on the grill. I was making some ribs and steak, and I did a video and I showed me cooking. Grill looks nice, outside deck looks nice, the weather was nice, food looked amazing, and then I showed the food plated when it was time to eat. What I didn't show was me scraping the grill when I was done, me dumping the charcoal, because I like charcoal because I think it gives a better flavor than gas. So I was scraping it and then dumping the charcoal and the ashes and the cleanup. Hands were filthy. The point I'm making is most people will only show you the beautiful part of process, but they don't show you the maintenance. It all requires maintenance. You have to have sustainability. Don't be drawn in by the things that look good unless you have the work ethic connected to make it last. The position that you have been working to be in, know that that comes with a level of maintenance.